Hello guys, in this video I'll show you what you need to do here and what you can get with these Easter eggs that you're getting when you're going through the bases. So basically the first step, of course, what you need to do here is to collect these eggs, and once you got some eggs, then you can go to event pass, then you can go to shop, and then you can buy a lucky block for 225, or you can get 3 for 675, or you can get OP Bulban for 7,500 Easter eggs. And once you claim basically 6 brain rots, you can unlock Easter base. So what you need to do here is to buy these blocks. And if you're wondering how you can open the Easter brain rots, you just need to go to your base here. For example, I will go here, and then you just need to open your backpack and get a bunny block in your hand. And once you got in your hand, then you just need to place it on your desk and then open it, right? And as you can see here, now I got a Kirker Buster, and then you can also, I can pick up, or let's try again. Let's swap it and let's open it. For the second time, I got Cocosino Banino. Then let's open again. Here. Let's swap it. And now I should get something else. Hopster Fiotera, right? So let's see what I need to. I didn't get any new, basically, brain rots to open a Easter base. But basically, there's two ways how you can do things that you can get. So bunny block, then you can unlock these brain rots, or you can get Bulban. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like.